Okay, so we're gonna add a handheld to our shower, and I think this is gonna be one of the easiest ways to go about it, because even if you had an existing shower head, you can add this on and it'll make a nice, easy way to divert from your handheld to your shower. So this is the Windet Kohler system. So as you can see, it just anchors to your existing plumbing, and then it just has your turn on and off valve down below. So let's show you how this goes together here. Okay, so in the back of here, this will adjust to be able to get it to connect to your distance, because every distance of the shower arm is going to be a little bit different. So basically you just want to thread this on. Now this does have a rubber gasket on it, so you don't need any Teflon tape for it. Just make sure that it's in there. And we'll just thread this on. Okay, then you just want to basically adjust this until it's about level, so it's even along the side. And then what we'll do, so it does have double-sided tape, but we're gonna actually drill some holes and actually get this into the tile work. So yeah, so basically put this little plate on here and then adjust this until it meets the wall so that this is nice and even. And we just want to make sure that this stays level. And then we'll just mark our tile work. Okay, so we're going to anchor this because I don't like the idea of the double-sided tape. I just don't think that's going to last very long. So we'll go ahead and just drill a hole. Same right here. No. Again, just make sure that your rubber gasket's in there. Oh, this is a magnet. Huh, that's kind of neat.
Wow.
Yeah, that's kind of cool. So they can almost be like a body spray. Yeah, good flow. And you just pause it.